There is a new opportunity in crypto that will make average people millionaires, but that's only for people who are preparing now when 99% of people aren't even paying attention. And even from preparing us a couple months ago, the projects that I called out have 3x, 5x, even 10x. Okay, I told you guys that I was starting with about $250,000. My portfolio is now up over $600,000, but this is just the beginning because there's an even bigger opportunity that I see, and I'm gonna do my best to not let anyone miss out. So in this video, I'll use my experience to explain this massive once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, which cryptos I'm looking to buy, and how much growth potential I see in each one, different portfolio structures that you can use depending on how much capital you're starting off with, and at the end, I'll talk about a 50 to 100x crypto that I'm watching, so that by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to get rich in the 2024 crypto cycle. So if that sounds good, make sure you hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel if you like trading and investing in crypto. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. We have an amazing trading and investing community. All right, so in order to understand this opportunity, we have to understand the amount of inflow of capital that could possibly come into cryptocurrency. So these blue lines right here signal the halving cycles, which you probably know by now restrict the supply of Bitcoin. And typically after these halving cycles, we see massive run-ups in the price of Bitcoin. Okay, we can see examples here. After halving, major moves up, halving, major move up, after halving, major move up. Now this is interesting because this is a logarithmic chart. And the reason we're looking at a logarithmic chart for this is that we're generally using this to get a perspective of larger time frame analysis. If we click this button down here on Trading View, you can see over time the growth trajectory of Bitcoin sort of curves down a little bit, but even if we extend this out pretty gradually, this doesn't look like much growth on our logarithmic chart. But if we click out of this and then we go back to the regular view of our chart, that same exact plot looks like this, which is indicating that we're at the very beginning of this massive parabola. Okay, this is something that most people don't even know. Most people aren't looking at logarithmic charts. If you understand how Bitcoin works, you understand how massive of an opportunity this is. And here is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH, which you can see has a lot more space to run until we see all-time highs, which is indicating that there's going to be a massive inflow into the altcoins, which is going to present an unprecedented investing opportunity. I want you guys to realize the magnitude of this. Tau, which was one of the AI plays that I talked about a few months ago, is now up 1,400%. We also called out Solana, which is now up about 300%. And IMX, where I called it in the video, is now up 300% as well. If you're feeling like you missed out, we haven't even come close to hitting the mother load yet, which is going to be something in crypto called DePIN, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. So essentially the technology that is going to power the AI revolution. AI is one of the biggest and fastest growing industries the world has ever seen. And because of this, the amount of computational power that's going to be required to build out this AI revolution is going to be uncomprehendable. OpenAI spends approximately $700,000 a day to operate ChatGPT. Meta will spend about $10.5 billion this year buying 350,000 NVIDIA GPUs in order to power their AI development. And this is exactly why we saw NVIDIA's stock increase by 500% basically in the last year and a half. The problem with this is that all of these companies are either private or the market caps of these are massive, which means that it's going to be really hard to make profit on these if you're not starting with a ton of initial capital. This is the opportunity in crypto. All of this is starting to happen on the crypto side of things right as we're anticipating the biggest run up potentially in crypto that the world has ever seen. That's why I'm creating this video here today. All right, it's expected that DePIN could add $10 trillion to the global GDP over the next decade and $100 trillion estimated in the decade after that. But it's important to understand how to position ourselves based on the amount of money that you're starting with. Of course, it's ideal to invest in all of the staple cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Okay, these cryptocurrencies are more reliable because more money is in it. Therefore, it takes more collective decision making for people to sell it and for it to go away. That also being said though, in order for you to double your investment from here at $50 billion market cap, we essentially have to get probably more than 50 billion more dollars in the market. Where if we're picking something a lot smaller, like say Nosana, which was a project that we were talking about several years ago, which basically increased 100x over the past 6 months and still only has a $300 million market cap. If you're starting with a smaller amount of money, chances are you're not in something called capital preservation mode. So you want to go a little bit more risk on. So you'll end up allocating less money to the larger, more secure investments, and you'll put put more of an emphasis on the lower cap, more aggressive, more risky trades. As that portfolio increases, you can do something called a rebalance, where you shift that depending on where your start position is. Say you're starting with $500 and you aim to make $15,000, or you're starting with $5,000 and you're looking to make $50,000. Medium risk portfolios can be something more like 50% in something secure like Bitcoin, with a 25% allocation in mid caps and 25% allocation in those really speculative instruments. And then a low risk, which is something that I'm in right now because I'm trying to preserve the capital. Considering that I think Bitcoin could be in the $200,000 range by the end of the next cycle, I want to park a lot of my money as sort of a store of value in an instrument like this, while I'm using these other coins to be able to very aggressively invest and redistribute into my larger holdings. So now it comes down to finding coins that are going to fit into these categories depending on where we are in our investing journey. All right, so let's talk about some of the deep in AI cryptocurrencies that I'm looking to scoop up, and talk about some of these growth potentials that I see based on the total market cap of crypto. Okay, so first coin that I want to talk about is Celestia. All of these new layer ones that are going to allow people to very easily integrate Web3 as we're used to seeing in Web2 are going to have these massive runs. We can see Celestia actually launched very recently back in November at about a $350 million market cap. And since then, we've moved up 800% and are sitting right around $19. This is still a good buy. Okay, but I want Celestia to be sort of a benchmark for us to understand this already did basically in 8x before the market has even started moving. So now we're sitting right around a $3.1 billion market cap. So that's going to fall into our mid and reach category. One of the next projects that I'm looking at is also a layer one called Monad. This is once again just one of those layer one blockchains like Solana that has a crazy throughput with 10,000 supported transactions per second. Okay, this project isn't even launched yet, but when it does launch, this is going to fall somewhere in between these two categories here. But the way these projects work is basically they raise money in rounds. So say they started at 200 million FDV, which is the fully diluted value, which shows you how much the market cap would be if all of the tokens were in supply. And then if they fill up the $200 million round, they just keep filling up the rounds until they raise enough money to be able to launch at a higher and higher price. Okay, so we're going to see with Monad, but it's probably going to fall into one of these categories. The third project that I'm looking at is something called IONET. This is essentially a decentralized GPU platform. This is allowing engineers to use a coordinated network of CPU and GPU to handle larger data sets and models. It's powered by Solana, Filecoin, and the Render network. They actually did a really cool presentation at the Solana Breakpoint conference that I actually went to 2 years ago. All right, and you can see even in the presentation, light speed AI adoption accelerates the need for GPUs, fueling the AI revolution. This is probably one of the most exciting plays. Also isn't dropped yet. Okay, they're planning to release their token several weeks after the Bitcoin halving, so probably somewhere in April or May, this token should launch. Okay, this project is definitely going to go into this lower cap, more aggressive style of trading. All right, so let's take a look at some of the growth potential now on some of these tokens. We have Solana, current valuation is about $48 billion market cap. Peak bull, realistically, based on our projections on Bitcoin, probably could see about 250 billion or a 5 or 6x in price. Now, this is really, really good. I don't think anyone is going to be scoffing at a 6x return. Once again, it's still a holding that I picked up at $30 as a large chunk of my sort of more secure holding. If you're working with $500 and you get a 6x, okay, making 3 grand or having 3 grand in your portfolio is nothing bad, but trying to shoot for something way more aggressive, understanding the opportunities in this market, it may be a little bit good to go slightly more risk on. Now, if we look at something like Tau, they listed at $1.22 billion. Now they're sitting up around $4.2 billion. If you're not familiar with BitStar, this is something that we talked about a couple months ago that we called out about $70. Now we have a 10x on that. This is essentially the decentralized version of ChatGPT. So if this does another 10x from where we called it, that's 100x on the investment, which I'm definitely going to be very, very happy about. And you might be saying a 10x looks like a lot, but I want to show you a tool that I like to look at. So say we take the current price and value of something like like Solana, and we put in the same market cap of Tau. So Tau with the market cap of Solana right now, which mind you, Sol isn't even near its all-time highs, is still at 11x from here, which would put Tau at $7,700 per token. And then Sol at all-time high would put Tau still at $12,000 per token. If you understand the inflow of capital that could be coming into crypto, possibly becoming $7, $8, $9, $10 trillion worth of assets, this is something being one of the main AI plays in crypto that is still very much possible. As weird as it sounds, this is still one of the, in my opinion, more safe plays where we can actually go even more aggressive if we want to. This is why I'm so excited, because I'm going to take some of the capital that I've already amassed, and I still have that 30% to play with that'll probably pull a little bit out of things like Sol, things like IMX, and things like Tau to reallocate into the next runners up. So same thing if we look at Celestia. Even if it hits the market cap of Sol now, which is the fourth or fifth largest market cap in crypto right now, we're still looking at a 15x in price, putting the units at 292 per token. And then if it hits the Sol all-time high, we're looking at a 24x in price. All right, so if you invest $1,000, you're looking at $24,000 off of that investment. If you invest $10,000, that could quite possibly be $250,000. These are the opportunities that we have in crypto. All right, so same thing with IMX. IMX listed at about $1 billion. Current values similar to what Tau is at about $4 billion. It wouldn't be outrageous to see this between $20 and $50 billion at the peak of the bull, which would once again be another 10x on top of what we already had. Okay, here are the new tokens though. Celestia, so still one of the primary things that I'm going to be picking up to be a little bit more aggressive. I'll still keep my portfolio distributed 70% into Bitcoin, but I'll take some of these smaller things that I have, say in IMX, in Tau, take a little bit of that to rebalance and put them more into these aggressive plays. Okay, Monad probably going to list in the ballpark of $1.5 billion if I had to look at all of the other layer ones that are listing right now. Considering it's a layer one, it's not going to be hard for them to get into the $50 to $100 billion market cap, in my opinion, which is going to be a 50 to 75x in price from here, sort of give and take depending on the amount of dilution that happens. We'll have to figure out when the tokenomics come out. Okay, and same thing with IronNet. We could be listing somewhere probably in the $500 to $1 billion range, right? Peak bull market, conservatively 20 to 50. But if it is to enter into sort of like that $100 billion valuation, right, we're looking at a 50, 75, 100x in price. So realistically, with my holdings in Tau and in IMX, if I am to put about $25,000 to $30,000 into these as a spot buy when they list, then there's a high probability that these positions will end up being able to allow me to close out for $3-4 million, not even me touching the Sol and the Bitcoin holdings that I have, starting with the small portfolio. Now, I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying that because even if you're starting off with a smaller amount of money, okay, there's still a probability that you can generate a tremendous amount of wealth on these investments. Now, I need to disclose something. None of this is financial advice. Anything that you do is your own decision. Okay, I'm simply giving you my opinions on the growth trajectory of the crypto market. Don't go saying that Craig said to go buy something, because I'm absolutely not telling you to buy anything. Okay, I'm personally going to be investing in these things, and these are purely my ideas on the market. To be honest, we don't really know what's going to happen. There's a chance that the crypto market sells off again before we get a run. Maybe we don't get the run that we're expecting, but still positioning yourselves in these tokens, I personally don't see there being a lot of downside. And not only are we preparing for this bull sentiment in our Discord, which I'm going to be updating all of these ideas as these projects are launching, and new projects that we're finding, I'm going to be adding them and sharing that research. Just yesterday, in one day, trading XRP, you can see I had a buy order here, a sell order at this perfect high here, and was able to make $660. If you're interested in not only investing, but also amassing capital from actively trading cryptocurrency, we also have members learning these trading strategies and growing their own crypto accounts. So for example, Mask TCLU, which is one of the day trading systems that we teach in our private education, he has 6.5x his account after taking 2 losses. You can see Andy making some nice gains on AVAX. You can see Gavin making some nice gains on FTM. So if you're interested in learning that, you can check out the resources in the description of the video. All right, and if you're able to amass capital in the beginning and you can allocate it towards these plays, especially in crypto, you can amass a serious amount of wealth if we are right about these deep in plays moving into the next bull run. All right, and last but not least, I'm going to talk about one of the projects that we've been anticipating for a long time now, which is very, very exciting. So Gameit is a project that owns one of the biggest esports teams in the world, taking this cloud computation and completely decentralizing this amongst a group of gamers that are using their extra GPU and CPU on their gaming rigs to be able to perform AI functions. And right now, even before the token is launching, they have over 300,000 platform downloads, 50,000 GPUs connected to their network, which makes them actually the world's biggest active decentralized GPU sharing network. And essentially all of these computers, if they're connected to the Gameit platform, are automatically using their GPU for whatever the most optimal monetization is for that specific moment. So whether it's AI rendering, that GPU is used for that, and the individuals are going to be rewarded in the native GMRX token. If we look, CoinMarketCap opened up an incubator. Okay, Gameit applied, and CoinMarketCap, out of thousands and thousands of applications, chose to put Gameit into their accelerator program and be able to market when their token launches in order to get more active users onto their platform. And so we can see, just to put it into perspective, the Render network has a circulating market cap of about $1.6 billion at the time that they made this. It's a lot higher now, actually. And look at the amount of GPU that Render has in their network, and now look at the amount of GPU that Gameit has in their network. This is going to allow them to take on so many more jobs and hit that sort of demand. And the GMRX token, which is going to be launching in March, is going to be the utility token behind this. Now, full disclosure, I will be investing in this project. This is something that we've been believing in for a long time. And moving closer towards that March token drop, we're going to be doing an AMA with the Gameit team for anyone who is into gaming, wants to use the platform or get involved with the project. You're going to be able to get your questions transparently answered there on the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord below as well if you want to be notified when that event is going to be happening, to be able to get the inside scoops and the updates on when this project is going to be happening. And you can see right now it's about 11:45 in the evening. I'm basically working 24/7, researching, setting this up, setting the team up, and building these connections and doing the research, because I want to make sure that when this opportunity happens, as many people as I possibly could are in the know to be able to also benefit from this. All right, if you made it to this point in the video, that means that you are a real one and that you are dedicated. Put in the comments below AI revolution, and I'm going to reply to 2 people in, say, the next 3 or 4 weeks. And I'm going to give you access to our entire trading education in private access to our Discord community. Make sure that it's actually me and that it has the check mark on it. I'm not going to ask you to join Telegram or WhatsApp. Beware of the people impersonating me in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel if you like trading and investing and want to follow up with my deeper dives of research on these types of things. But that's basically all I have for today, guys. And until next time, guys, I will see you all in the next video.